Hey everyone, this is Akanksha Tripathi from Uttar Pradesh, Mirzapur. So today I want to tell you about how do I think directly in English. So guys, you can see many English learners translate every sentence firstly from their native language into English. I also did it. Do you know it is a normal? If you are a beginner in the beginning, when you start speak English and you get stuck, do you know without translate you can't speak in the beginning. It is my English learning journey. It has been my experience throughout my English learning journey. So guys, it is very normal things. Because of this, speaking English very slow and difficult. So guys, one day I realized that if I wanted to speak English fluently, so I had thinking in English each and every words. It is common, but how can we think in English directly in English? So it's my opinion. First, you use simple English words. You don't make try to difficult word sentences. Just thought simple, like I'm a cooking, I'm a sitting over here, I'm doing like this, I'm doing like that. This type of words you can use in the beginning. Just don't try to make difficult words, okay? And guys, second things, and one more things, guys, you don't need to know all grammar rules before you start speaking English. You start speak already, you know grammar rules, okay? So first you try to speak, don't try to learn as a grammar rules and vocabulary. And second things, guys, describe what are you doing throughout the day and whatever you see around you, and try to speak directly in English. Don't think in Hindi. Each and every sentence try to speak and think in English. As a I'm making video and I'm sitting in front of camera, in front of phone, okay? So guys, this kinds of learning English helps your brain get used to in English. So third things, guys, you don't worrying about mistakes. When you afraid of mistakes while speaking English, and when you afraid of making mistakes in front of others, and then you start translating, and you get stuck. I'm right. So when you are focused on your communication, so think you get thinking in English very fastly, directly. So guys, remember, learning English, thinking English is a habit. It does not happen in one day. So practice every day, and slowly your brain will start creating thoughts directly in English. So don't afraid to make mistakes. Just try to speak in front of other and describe, and try to talk yourself in English and describe whatever around you in English, okay? So do you know guys, I still learning English. If I can do, you can do it too. So you can practice, you kept learn English, and you kept think in English each and every words. So guys, my opinion, making mistakes is part of learning. Failure is a part of learning. Without fail, you can't learn anything. So हमें फेलियर बहुत कुछ सिखा के जाते हैं और हम फेल से बहुत कुछ सीखते हैं. सो दैट्स वाई you can practice every day and learn day by day. A little and gradually, guys, you don't get stuck while speaking English. So, yeah, it's my video. If you like my video, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So, see you in the next video. Bye bye. Jai Shri Radhe Shyam.